Rosefinch Tether Power Station is designed for DJI MATRICE 400.
It is packed with hard plastic case, easy to transport. The whole machine adopts aluminum alloy with oxidation sandblasting treatment, durable and sturdy. Beautiful appearance. Low temperature testing. High temperature testing. IP rated for raining testing, impact testing, and vibration testing. Fast deployment. Lock air module. Install battery and connect with air module. Pull out cable and connect with air module. Connect AC power. Turn on tether station. Turn on drone and take off. Rosefinch Tether Station provides long-time continuous power to drone. Long-time monitoring Yangtze River. It is widely used for law enforcement, public security, border security, event surveillance, relay communication, filming, construction site lighting in the evening. Turn on the lighting device. Emergency search and rescue lighting in the evening.